Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is the haul video. But first, I got a few comments. Patty drove me around today to Best Buy, the 99-cent store, and Home Depot. And I got a lot of questions answered at Best Buy. Met a representative from Sony and found out how to do stuff with my Mac. Since my hard drive is slowly failing, my computer keeps locking up. And since I don't have a way to have a backup, Xfinity only lets you use one computer at a time. You cannot use Wi-Fi, and it's locked into this Mac, and this Mac dies. So I asked the question about getting my external hard drive to boot from there, and the guy said there's a way to do it, but he wasn't sure how to do it. And someone made a comment on an earlier video, Australians don't with tamales clean your kitchen. Well, I do clean my kitchen. It gets messy from time to time. Right now I'm hampered by no water in the sink. I did clear out all the dishes out of the sink a little while ago, and found information at Best Buy about the insulation I need, the front door sweep, which Fluffy tore off the bottom. And I lost a $10 gift card I got in the mail. I put it in my little wallet Tuesday night. This is my little card wallet with all my ID and cards in it. And went to Safeway last night, and the $10 gift card for Ross is gone. So I had to spend money. I'm not happy. All right. But please don't tell me to clean my house unless telling me to clean and not offering to help or whatever is kind of pointless. I'm the one that has to do this. And right now I'm having major issues of breathing with sinus infection and bronchitis, and my chest hurting from coughing so much and gasping for air. And the minute we came back here, I got out of the elevator and I started wheezing and gasping for air again. So this is the problem I have, why this place doesn't get cleaner. I can't breathe. I have to sit down, and I have no energy to come breathing or coughing so much that I can't do anything but lie down. Even that hurts at times. All right, here's what I got. Patty gave me a turkey. Here, a double pan, because the last time I bought one pan, the damn thing was 2 weeks. I'm going to put it in both pans, cook the turkey tonight. This I bought from Best Buy for my little camera, a Vivitar camera. This is a 32 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra Plus Micro SDHC UHS-1 card. Now, I got this for $7.30, and this was a hell of a deal. I wish they hadn't covered up the back, because I could show you the back. But Walmart wanted $35 for this. So that will go in the little bin. I now have a bin, sort of, where I keep all my medication, my wallet, and stamps and stuff. So recycling something to use. I had a notebook that I kept all my passwords in and important information, and so I got this for $1. I got to redo my passwords. I got about 85 passwords. And let's see, what else did I get? Don't have any celery for the turkey. Don't have any potatoes. It's, bear food time. I do have that package of vegetables and no chicken broth. All right. Before I thought I had a gift card, I was going to buy $10 worth of stuff. So I got me some cookies. They called my name. And we've had power failures here, not PG&E shutting off the power, but power failures, and I cannot find a flashlight. And I can use these with my videos as well. So let me take this and open it up. It's a Kodak LED flashlight multi-use combo pack, and apparently one of them has a hanger. Alright, so this is also Bergen boxing in a sense. Oh, they both have a hanger. It's kind of cool. Oh, good Lord. Well, this is going to be a problem. Oh no, they had sense here. None of this crap where you got to unscrew it with a Phillips screwdriver with little tiny screws. These have, thank you Kodak for being sensible. Oop, batteries just fell on the floor. You open the back up, and you can put the batteries in. And so, let's see. Ugh. You ever notice you put something in your lap and it always falls on the floor no matter what you're doing? Okay. I never have enough AAA rechargeables. I gotta buy some more. I don't believe in wasting batteries and throwing them out. They leak and like charging stuff. Save money in the long run. Alright, there are the 4 batteries. It came with batteries. It's very unusual to find anything that comes with batteries. And batteries not included. Why, you cheap bastard. Batteries are cheap. Alright, this has a magnetic thing. Let's see if it'll... Well, it's stuck to my refrigerator, so that works. And it has a hook that I can't get out. By the way, take my official Sony pen here. Pick that up somewhere. There we go. I can hang this up on a pin or a hook or whatever. All right, let's turn this on. Well, this sucks. Not only is the lens scratched, well, this is messed up. The batteries are dead. Oh, God. Try the other one. Never fails. Kodak LED flashlight multi-use combo pack with batteries that don't work. Alright. This is the same deal, the hook. I don't know if these are going to work or not. I only have 1 AAA right now. And I require 4. Damn hook gets in the way here. It's magnet. No, this one's, go figure. That long one, it's stuck. This one, okay, there it goes. It sticks to the refrigerator. Let me open this. I don't know how long this was sitting in Ross. In the package, of course, it wasn't opened. Doesn't do any good. Oh, the spring is bending when you put the battery in. That's cute. Yep, they're both dead. So these batteries do not work. Batteries included, and they suck. So I'll have to wait till I get batteries to show you how this works. All right, we'll put this away. That's a failure. That's why I like rechargeable Nike. See, I have these, but when Fluffy did the Attack of the Table bookcase, I don't have a lot of these. I have lots of these. But it also Murphy's Law, it never fails. When I need these, I don't have enough, but I've got about 30 of these. Okay. And finally, the last item. I have here the Mercury, with a K, Innovations Encore Wireless Bluetooth headset, because Bluetooth headphones, micro USB charging cable, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable, user manual, Bluetooth wireless stereo sound, 4 hours of music playback and talk time on a single charge. Tactile call controls. Sleek, lightweight design, auxiliary input. Use included auxiliary cable for direct wired connection to any 3.5 millimeter jack. Oh, I could use that on my iPod things. I don't get started on that guy. He sent me a very rude message on eBay today, and I had to complain to eBay. So, the guy who sold me the first Volkswagen with no cable connected to the iPods. All right, here we go. They made sure to put lots of tape on here. You can't get it open. I don't know where my scissors are right now, or I would cut this. Okay. So we have the empty box. And here are the headphones. And then inside of here, you have the actually, it's stupid. I just remembered I have a knife in there. You have the auxiliary cable. So I'll have to try that out on the iPod player. And you have the USB cable for charging. It's like my little phone cable. And you have an actual real-life manual. How to turn it on and all that. Take it dinner and dancing. How to pair with a new device. How to reconnect. Troubleshooting. So it's pretty detailed. So we'll charge this thing up and see how it works. All right, that's it for tonight. I've got 2 more items that are taking their good old time to show up here. I don't know when the hell they're going to show up. And I'll do bird unboxing when they arrive. It's supposed to be pouring rain tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. Russian River is flooding with the rain we just got, but another storm's coming tomorrow. Lots of fog out this morning, by the way, when Patty showed up. So that's it. There's the cable. Little tiny short cable. They never make these very long. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. It's 5:17 in the evening. And stay warm and dry if you can, and I will catch you next time. Have a good weekend. This is frustrating. Lights that don't work because the batteries have been sitting in the package too long. You get what you pay for. Oh, by the way, these headphones were $16.99, and the Kodak was $6.99, regularly $13. Book was $1. The pans were $1 a piece. But this, I'm just going to have to buy new batteries, that's all. All right, catch you later. Bye-bye.